Hello friends, today's lecture we are going to discuss next reaction, that one is the Smith reaction. What is Smith reaction? The conversion of ketone into amide by using hydroxylic acid is called as the Smith reaction. First one, that ketone. If you add in that hydroxylic acid, that ketone get converted into amide. What is the mechanism of that reaction? Mechanism of this reaction is, first one, ketone under protonating condition. Ketone contain a lone pair of electron, abstract a proton, and protonation of ketone gate takes place. Then hydroxylic acid attack on carbonyl center to form that. Then when it lost water molecule, then that intermediate is formed. The nitrogen, which contain a lone pair of electron, then the lone pair of electron is migrate to that, and here the removal of N2 gate takes place with the formation of such type of intermediate. Then if you add water molecule, water in that, that get converted into that and again it undergo tautomerism with the formation of amide, your product, desired product of that Smith reaction. What is the application of that reaction? We will see the application of this reaction is first one, suppose that ketone, a chiral compound, if you add here a hydroxylic acid, that under that ketone in a hydroxylic acid get converted into amide. What is the mechanism of this reaction? Again, the same mechanism is applied for that conversion. That one is the ketone, which contain a chiral carbon atom. Under acidic condition, it undergo protonation, get converted into protonating form. Then hydrozoic acid, attack on carbonyl center to form such type of intermediate. Then, after loss of water molecule, here that such type of species which is formed. That nitrogen contain a lone pair of electron which undergo same such type of rearrangement. That group which is get migrated on nitrogen with the formation of this intermediate. N2 is lost here. Here, that substrate is migrated to nitrogen. Then it undergo, after addition of water, such type of intermediate is formed. Then undergo keto formation with the formation of target molecule. This is the mechanism is applied for the conversion of that compound, conversion of ketone into amine. Again, second application of this Smith reaction is second application of Smith reaction. That one, suppose that two ring containing, that is the bicyclo compound, that bicyclo compound here and here, if the presence of if we carry out the reaction of that in presence of triplic acid, in presence of triplic acid and CH2Cl2. That one is the dichloromethane solvent at 0 degree Celsius. The product which is occur, that one is the that is the product which is occur. That means after Smith rearrangement, that compound undergo cyclization with the formation of that product. I hope you understand this reaction, Smith reaction. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.